I don't know anybody that has a problem getting a contractor in. It's getting them to finish. How did you learn that process so well, knowing what a risk it is now when you don't understand how to manage that properly?
It's about properly vetting people, doing due diligence and background checks on people. It's about getting them on the correct contracts, being added to their insurance, having some method for inspecting in between draws, controlling material costs and not giving out too much money. I'm surprised at how many people are out there flipping homes without any of those processes in place. None of those things can be ignored. And it's really hard in this market right now because everybody's busy. There's, of course, brand new contractors all the time that are thrilled to get into the game. You just don't want them to cut their teeth on your projects. But we check progress before any draws are given out. When we typically will start out a new contractor, they're just on one job and we want to make sure that they take a project all the way to completion